these reservoirs, as the team have explained, it's actually your contingency. It's like your generator when the power goes off. So normally this can take care of, your normal water interruption of 2 days. Now, so because this water will be stored here, then it did happen. I mean, they managed to survive for 4 days, the 11th to the 14th. But the problem now is it's not meant to, as it is now, to push water from a tank, water tank, into the reservoir. It's not meant that way. It's to store water from the pipe.
When we realized that we couldn't get the supply as we needed, we started moving some of the procedures that needed to be done to King Edward, and some have been moved to Nkosi Albert so that they are able to be attended to. You asked a question earlier on why hospitals were not prioritized. Indeed, as Minister indicates, they were prioritized, but as you will remember, we actually could not even access Umlazi about 2 or 3 days ago. So even when we did get the tankers on the 12th, on the 13th, they couldn't actually get into the vicinity. Now the team today is working on putting a huge JoJo tank that will put the water, have a pump that will pump water into the reservoirs, and if we get about 40 water tankers, that we believe will assist us for the next couple of days, and we allow the water tankers to go and assist other communities. We've got our own tankers as a department in the province. They are not enough. Each facility only has one. ABSA has donated about 20 or so, and they are willing to bring, and we are calling on other people who are willing to donate their water tankers to actually make sure that they give us those tankers so that we are able to fill these reservoirs as soon as possible.
When things are like this, from infection control, it's quite a risk. But it looks like after a while, the whole area can be cleared up. On the advice of engineers, then they will be able to indicate whether the place can be salvaged. But one is hoping that all the structures can be salvaged, can be repaired.
Our engineers and technicians, they started coming here yesterday to make a proper assessment and analysis so that we know what needs to be done. But in the meantime, we have moved all our services away from this center. We are utilizing the neighboring centers. We have a couple of other CHCs in Enanda, and we have some clinics, and that is where we are redirecting all our other patients. This might take us a while to actually get it up and running, but we also don't want to cut corners. We want to be sure, we want to be firm, because we are dealing with the lives of our people.